Civil danger warning for Dragon Club. The following message is transmitted by the order of the local police department with conjunction of civil authorities. A dangerous situation is happening in Dragon Club. The Phantom Clan is seen attacking innocent civilians and enslaving them. The Phantom Clan consists of Jenna Cake, a genocidal cake with a knife on the top of her, undead bee button, a ghost-like emoji, skeletal pin, a skeleton-like pin, Reaper loser with a black robe on, glowing red eyes, and a scythe, spooky hat, a black hat with pink lightning bolts and a skull on the design, jack-o'-lantern, a orange jack-o'-lantern with a brown stem, cauldron, a bucket of lava, moon spray, a burgundy purplish can of moon spray, and Jello Shelly, a sea creature with blue hair. It isn't known where they will be attacking next, but residents of the next attack place must seek shelter immediately. Lock all doors and windows and turn off all lights. Do not make a sound, as they are attracted to hearing noises. If you confront or battle them, you may face certain death or they may try to enslave you. Stay tuned for more updates following this life-threatening situation.